India's folklore is a living river, endlessly flowing, forever changing and always surprising. From ancient times, stories like the Panchatantra or the tales of Tenali Raman traveled by word of mouth, lighting up village nights and teaching life's deepest lessons under banyan trees. These weren't just bedtime stories. They were tools for survival, wisdom wrapped in wit, keeping communities together and values alive. As centuries rolled by, these tales didn't fade. They evolved. Take the epic Mahabharata or Ramayana. Once sung by bards, today they stream as mega TV series, watched by millions. Imagine kids in the 90s glued to their screens every Sunday morning, the same way their ancestors huddled around elders for a good story. That's the magic of Indian folklore. It adapts, but never disappears. Now let's talk about Bollywood. Think of movies like Bahubali or Tumbad. Their worlds are lush with myth, monsters and moral dilemmas, classic folktale stuff, just with sharper graphics and bigger budgets. Even Raw, with its superhero-like heroes, borrows straight from the mythic tradition, turning age-old legends into box office gold. And it doesn't stop at movies. Comics like Amar Chitra Katha have been retelling folk legends for decades, painting gods, demons and tricksters in bold colors and wild adventures. Streaming platforms are now remixing folk horror, fantasy and drama for new generations. These stories cross borders too. Think of how Slumdog Millionaire used the rags to riches fable, or how international fans binge on Indian myth-based series today. But why does folklore stick? Maybe because it asks the big questions. What's right? What's wrong? Can good really win? Or maybe it's just the thrill of a clever trickster outsmarting a greedy king. Whatever it is, these stories shape our films, our childhoods, even our sense of who we are. So next time you watch a blockbuster or binge a new series, look for the folklore roots hiding under all that glitz. They're timeless, a shared treasure chest that keeps Indian storytelling alive and always ready for its next twist. Thanks for joining me on this journey down the storytelling river. Who knows which legend will inspire the next big hit? Until then, keep listening, keep sharing, and keep those stories flowing.